In front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. You need to begin by opening an app called Files. If you never used it before, select Continue. Tap on gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. And click on those three lines at the top left corner. Then select Clean at the top. Hit Clean next to Junk Files and confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!